y'all. So today we are going to be making gingerbread cheesecake. For this, we have some graham crackers, we have some molasses, we have some ginger, cloves, nutmeg, powdered sugar. Obviously you need cream cheese in a cheesecake, it's obvious. We're doing some ground cinnamon as well. We need some whipping cream and some vanilla. Now, I will say you don't need whipping cream if you just go ahead and get pre-made whipped cream. If you use pre-made whipped cream, some Cool Whip, you don't need the vanilla or the whipping cream. But before we get to making this amazing Christmas dessert, we are on the road to 500 subscribers, and we are so close we can hit it before Christmas. So if you would like to go learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to baking. So we're going to start with 2 cups of our heavy whipping cream, tablespoon of our vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of our powdered sugar. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix this until we have a whipped cream consistency. Once we have a whipped cream consistency, we're just going to go ahead and set this to the side. Alright, y'all. So in our large mixing bowl, we have 24 ounces of cream cheese that we have let soften all day. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and get this cream together. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Now we're going to go ahead and start getting this mixed up. You're also going to want to make sure to scrape the side of the bowl as we go. We want 1/4 cup of molasses. And go ahead and get this well blended together. Now we're going to take 2 cups of our whipped cream, whether you made it or bought it. Now we're going to go ahead and get this blended. I'm going to set this to the side. Alright, y'all, so I did forget in the ingredients list we need to melt 5 tablespoons of butter. And to this, we're going to add 1.5 cups of our graham crackers. And we've gone ahead and thrown them in a food processor and ground them up. Perfect amount. 1.5 cups of those graham crackers. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix this up till that butter is well incorporated. Now we got our springform pan. This is a no-bake cheesecake though, so if you don't have a springform pan, it's just presentation-wise, right? We're going to go ahead and evenly disperse the graham crackers among the bottom and then pack them down. Now we're just going to go ahead, grab our cheesecake filling, and fill it up. Now we're just going to evenly spread out our cheesecake filling. Now this is a no-bake cheesecake, so we need to throw it in our fridge for at least 6 hours. So I'm just going to throw mine in overnight, and I'll bring you back tomorrow. Alright, y'all, and there we have it, a gingerbread cheesecake. I let this sit overnight. I did a little decor on top. Decor is optional, that's why I didn't show it. Did I save some gingerbread men from the other video just because I knew I would be making this? Maybe. But if you want to see anything cooked on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.